So I didn't record in the nail salon, but I will add a couple of clips if you guys would like. You guys have to follow my TikTok for more like little clips like that. But yep, these are the nails. They came out phenomenal. So yeah, I'm about to sit down to some homework. I just came up with a study plan and a to-do list. So that's what we're about to do. This is what my work desk area is looking like for Christmas. I am loving my new phone case. So yeah, let me get to it. Tell you what, I don't like how big the oats are on this. Yeah, I start with a knife when I do grits and oats. I don't know why. So a lot of y'all ask how I make my iced coffee. This is the stock brew. I really use any cold brew. I shake it up.
Can I take out my tea bag?
Yeah, you can take out your tea bag if you want to. And of course, get ice in there. I just use mason jars that I bought from Dollar Tree and turn them into cups, which I think is the cutest thing. And then I also just get a pack of straws. I'm not too picky on what the straws are like. So that's that with that. So take my straw out. I keep going to cover the ice cubes. Today we are using glazed donut creamer. I've seen so many people use it. It's like made me feel like I need to try it. So look at that. I love the way that looks. Oh my gosh, I love that. Love that for me. Then of course we're just gonna add a little bit of vanilla syrup. You don't have to shake that. I'm filming on my iPad, so it's a little difficult. Not difficult, but different. Then I'm going to put my white chocolate, like, in there. Just swirl it around in there. Take your straw. And literally just stir. But what makes it the best... You guys see that? I don't want it to drop. What makes it the best is the whipped cream. You put a little bit of that on top. And then I couldn't find any peppermint crumbles, so and that is how I make my coffee, folks. My shirt I got a while back, it says half hood, half holy. That means pray with me, don't play with me. So yeah, let's see.
Superb scavenging, Roddy. Wait.
Well,
I took Charlie's shot, so now this thing is lost. And
oh wow, yeah.
Bill,
That's good. That's good. So this whole entire video will be shot on my iPad. So forgive me if I don't know where to look because this is my first time shooting on my iPad. So we're gonna see how this goes. All right, Vlogmas, I wanted to show you guys my coffee area. I have the sugar cookie Hershey Kisses in there, my Deck the Halls cup out, the pumpkin spice is gone, and we have added vanilla syrup to our coffee station, and it is working out. Guys, we are going to make some old-fashioned oatmeal. Literally, we're going to use carnation milk, brown sugar, and carnation milk, of course, for the creaminess. Jesus, you deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. Well, this is my morning worship, and I'm probably going to get copyrighted for it, so let me hurry up and get off of here. But I'm recording on my phone because we're headed out today. But this is what I have on. I have my Tory breeches, some black pants I actually got from Goodwill, and they fit amazing. This shirt I got from Ross years ago. Apple Watch, Cartier ring, Pandora ring, my new Keep Going bracelet that I love. My hair still natural, and I'm loving it. I did like a little flip hair thing. I'll show you guys in my flip thing with my hair. You can kind of see it. So yeah, we're gonna make coffee. And the current podcast that I'm listening to, and when I tell you it is speaking directly to my soul, I like her. It's called Slay Girl Slay. So I'm going back in the episodes and then catching up to where she is in life now. Excuse my dash, I gotta get it clean, but yeah, I think you guys should really tune into her. So here we are back in front of the computer. I wanted to show you guys my cute little Christmas cup. Isn't it the cutest? Let me get to work for real, because I got work today.
Welcome in.
Lane does not turn. I don't know. These people are crazy. And to be honest, I'm moving to a different side of town, and I honestly cannot wait because this side of town is so crowded and so ugh. But anyways, Lord, thank you that I'm even able to pick and choose the areas that I live in and move freely, and that I have a car that gets me from point A to point B and all these other fabulous places. Yeah, so today, and if it's not on this vlog, it will be on a different vlog. My plan is to make a vision board based on 6 months from now to, I believe it's April. Is this one? No, let's count. December, January, February, March, April, May. So actually May. But yeah, so we are going to do that together. I'm going to write some habits that I want to kick, some trips that I want to take. I'm thinking about reading this book called Atomic Habits. Oh God, we've been talking for a while, but that's probably going to be a bulk of this vlog, and then I'll probably end it. But like I said, guys, stay tuned for the footage from church. I may plug in some stuff from the car wash and other things in this vlog. If you don't see it in this vlog, you'll see it in another vlog. I am doing Vlogmas, but my own version of Vlogmas. But I do try to really come on here and talk to you more about my time in church and my time with God, because that is where my channel is supposed to be focused, and where I feel like He's called on my life to take my channel again. Where we started, we're going back to the nitty-gritty, the roots. I want to really take you guys on this journey with me of growth and really becoming the woman that God called me to be, because I've been playing it safe, and I don't want to play it safe no more. I want everything that God has for me, and in order for me to have everything that God has for me, I got to make some changes, I got to make some sacrifices, and I got to go before I know. So if you guys don't get anywhere from today, it's go before you know. If you honestly believe that God has put something on your heart, and you honestly believe that you have heard from Him, and you don't understand how or why it's happening, go before you know. I'm going to show you guys on my prayer wall today where I wrote this saying months and months ago. That's why I say God really speaks to me prior to prepare me for where He's going to have me in a certain season. That's why I trust and I follow God so much, because I've seen it time and time again unfold in my life where He has prepared me before He sent me somewhere, and it has worked out for the betterment of my good. So I really, really, really do trust in Lord. That's my belief. If you don't carry the same beliefs as me, then you know, maybe my channel isn't for you, or maybe you'll come to believe through me. Like I said, the goal as disciples is for the Lord to speak through you and to go after the hearts of believers and non-believers. Like, I don't judge people for their spiritual journeys. I don't judge people for any of that, because God went out and sat with the sinners and the drinkers and the prostitutes and all of that stuff, because He knew that He needed to chase after the hearts of not just believers, but of non-believers. Because if not Him, if not you, then who? Who will save these people? Who will bring them into a relationship that will change their lives? I know that when I became to know God in a personal way, and please believe me, I've been in church since I could breathe or walk, couldn't talk. I grew up in church. My grandma is a deaconess at the same church that we went to when my dad was a child. She still is a deaconess at that church. I, of course, built my own relationship with God because I felt like that's how I was going to grow, and that's how I was going to go to love and have a personal, in-depth relationship with God. So I encourage you guys to do that. And again, I am sorry for the long rant, but I am going to end it here. And if we don't speak again before the end of this vlog, God loves you, and so do I. 3 years.
Thank you for your patience, Lord.
He didn't get into that conversation. He just says, maybe we need to remember this again. It's not for you to know the times or seasons which the Father has put in His own authority. I feel like I'm throwing a lot of rocks unintentionally. Quit trying to figure out things you don't need to be figuring out.
Hallelujah.
How are you supposed to be focused on what I need you focused on when you're worried about things you don't need to be worried about? Come on, I'm just my amplified version of what Jesus is saying. Right? God, the Father's going to take care of that.